Oh, she likes the camera.
Play with Leah?
There, Leah. Oh, gentle, gentle. Will you make sure he doesn't try to pull her hair out or something? Like that. Yeah, eyeballs stay in the head. Thank you very much.
Gentle.
Cuties. Oh.
He likes her.
Yeah, I can tell. It's interesting to see who, sometimes he's the aggressor and sometimes he's the aggressed against.
Yeah,
Yeah, cuties. So wait, when was her birthday?
November 10th.
Okay, so she's 4 days older than him.
Oh yeah, so they really are.
Yeah. Hey,
So Shepard's not one of us.
cuties.
Hello? Hey! Hey, how are you? Go on! Yeah?
Hi, Leah. Hi, Leah. Hi, baby Aaron.
Oh, that's sweet. I have
Hi, Aaron.
mother's group and then I have babysitter so I can practice. So
Cuties.
I can call you when I'm done with mother's group. Before the babysitter. And if you're still free. Okay, let's give you a call. Okay. All right. So we'll check back in later. Thanks.
Look, there she starts dancing every time you say it.
Rock out, Solange.
Hey, Greta. Gentle, gentle.
Before I forget over this, the new
Gentle.
find my new